Looking to have clips play from your channel on your starting soon screen or your be right back screen? Maybe you're looking for someone to have special commands to pop things up on your stream, or even custom channel point rewards that you customize. Or you want to make sure that people know what you're listening to by having Spotify pop up on the screen. Today I'm going to show you all three, and guess what? They're all free. Let's get into it. Before we get into the video, I just want to say thank you for stopping by. I'm Cyrus, and I'm here to improve the streaming experience not only for you, but also for your viewers. If you enjoyed this video, consider dropping a like, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss content like this. Also, check me out on Twitch. I stream 3 days a week, and join the Darkness Discord. We have a fantastic community full of people willing to help you. With that out of the way, let's talk about these three fantastic websites that are offering wonderful things to level up your stream. All right, the first one up is twitch.guru. This website is really cool because this is what's going to allow you to have random clips from your Twitch channel playing as a playlist without ads or any kind of things in between on like a starting soon screen or wherever you really want them to be. But they have a couple of other cool things. I'll just go ahead and zoom in here so you can see. They have where you can have a shout out player, so you can make a command that will show a clip from their channel. Say if they come in and gift subs or raid you, you can show as a shout out player. And there's a lot of other really cool things that you can use here, but we're going to focus on that random clip player. All you'll do is go in here, put your channel in, go ahead and select what period you want. It'll say for a month, week, or 24 hours. I'm going to go ahead and leave it for all, and then you can choose whether you want the sound, whether you want the static, do you want scan lines, anything like this. And then you can also say only clipped by, so you can maybe limit it to only clipped by you. You can adjust the master volume, and all of this gives you a link right here that you can copy and then paste into your streaming program as a browser source. And if you look right above my webcam right here, you can actually see a preview of what it'll look like. And what you'll get is basically this on a web page that you can resize. Now, when you put this in OBS, make sure you paste it in as a browser source and change the resolution to 1920 by 1080. This is just so that it makes it full screen, and then you can go ahead and control it, drag it, move it around, make it smaller, and put it to where you would like it to be. And every time you start your stream, guess what? This is there for you. All right, next one up is TriggerFyre. This is a fantastic website. It kind of replaces something that I've been using for a while called Board. You might have heard that from Nutty. He did a great tutorial of that, and I'm going to go ahead and link his video up here if you want to take a look at that. I also did a tutorial that I'll put in the description. But what you'll do is go ahead and log in with Twitch. And after you've done so, it'll give you a dashboard such as images, videos, sounds, OBS groupings, and then also groups for themselves. So what you can do is drop a logo in here. For this example, I've already dropped my logo in. And under the edit page, it'll go ahead and ask you to give it a command name, like an exclamation something. For this case, I put exclamation logo, but it also gives you, if you're an affiliate or in a partner, it'll give you the part where you can click and actually add a custom reward that you're going to have on your channel for channel points. Make sure you remember what you put here because it is case sensitive and it has to match what's in the Twitch dashboard. So in this case, I put logo with a capital L, and I'm going to go ahead and click save. You can go ahead and set a whole bunch of other things here. All I would recommend is if it's a larger image or a GIF or a video or something, make sure you really play around with that size. Now let's jump over into our Twitch dashboard, and I'll show you how to make a custom channel point reward. All right, over in your Twitch dashboard, go ahead and choose Viewer Rewards and then click on Channel Points. You're going to choose Manage Rewards and Challenges, and then this is where you're going to be able to scroll down and click Add a New Custom Reward. I've already made the one for my logo. I'm just going to click Edit. You'll see that I made sure that it is a capital L to match the case, and then you can choose what cost you want. For mine, I made it 100 channel points, and all you have to do is they will redeem it, and then once you've put in the browser source from TriggerFyre into a browser source into OBS, they'll be able to trigger anything onto your stream wherever you have this. Before we leave TriggerFyre, make sure you click the pink link emblem at the bottom right and grab this URL and stick it in OBS or Streamlabs or whatever the case, and make sure it's 1920 by 1080 just like the Twitch Guru clips. This will be covering your entire screen as a transparent, but whatever you set up here will pop up on that overlay, so make sure it's towards the top part of your sources. And this is what it looks like when somebody redeems, for example, my logo one. It'll pop up on the screen just with a random logo. You can see it popped up right here. I got it in a randomized location, and it'll just randomly pop up. If it was a GIF, whatever the case, a video, a sound that will play, this browser source will be able to house all of that information. And the last one here is pixelchat.tv. This is actually a really cool overlay website with a lot of options. We're going to use it for one specific case, but I will encourage you to make sure you look around this website. There's a lot of things that you can do here. But once you've created an account on this website, we're going to go ahead and click on overlays, and then we'll be able to click create new overlay. There are a lot of things here, like I said, that you can choose. So I would encourage you to take a look through here, but we're just going to choose the one that is the now playing, and we're going to go ahead and edit that one. And on this one, you're going to see that you can change the overlay title. I'm just going to leave it as now playing, whatever the case, and you can make sure you connect your account. So you'll be able to follow this tutorial. You'll have to set up something through last.fm to be able to use YouTube Music. I think it's Amazon Music as well, Google Play, as well as Spotify. And what it'll do is every time a song changes, it will pop up on your screen, and it will look very similar to the example that's popping up on the right. You can customize it however you like. I like to keep mine kind of small, but people are able to type !song in my chat and see what the current song is that's playing at any given time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit it with a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss content like this. And yeah, that's where we'll end it. I'm Cyrus, and welcome to the darkness. We'll catch you next time.